with Russian armored vehicles storing a lot of firepower inside. When engaging on the battlefield, each hit can have a chain reaction, leaving the vehicle to either be in one part or multiple parts, seen most often from drone surveillance as the explosion doesn't let anyone near. But as seen here, sometimes there are some lucky ones, not to be too close, but close enough to see how huge the explosion is, being able to throw dozens, hundreds, or even several tons of material up in the air, raining down in the close by area, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.